Hi guys, so today I'm working on my Mercedes-Benz GLC300. So the job that I have to do today is to change the side skirt that was on the car because it was broken. As you can see, there's a missing part, so I got a new one. So I'll install this because you have 10 millimeters. That goes under the car on the side. Sorry for the light. So you have 6 on the side. After that you have 3 push pins. In the front. And you have 2 8mm in the back, in the rear. And after that you just unclip the side skirt and you clip the new one, put the nut and the bolt on, and also the push pin, and after you will have your new side skirt. Thanks for watching guys, have a nice day.